And now, Union Minister Smriti Irani spoke exclusively to News 9 the Sabyasachi Chaudhary, sharing her insights on how women's issues are shaping up the state's election narrative. Let's listen into the conversation.
I'm being joined by former Union Minister Smriti. Ma'am, you have been on the ground. What assessment have you received, or what sentiments have you received from the people of
There's
Bihar?
an overwhelming pro-development sentiment towards the NDA. I am particularly pleased that the Prime Minister and Nitish Ji's scheme to ensure women are economically successful, especially the Rozgar Yojana, under which 1 crore 30 lakh women have received the seed money of 10,000. And now women look forward to that money being increased to 2 lakhs. My belief as a female Karyakarta of the BJP is that not only schemes like this, but also the fact that Prime Minister Modi ensured 33% reservation passed in Parliament. It is this pro-women perspective of the NDA which is helping strengthen our numbers on the ground.
On contrary to the NDA, which has announced that they are going to give 10,000, they have been giving 10,000 to every single woman. Today, Mr. Tejasvi Yadav announced that in the start of the year, he will be giving 30,000 rupees to every single woman in the state
It has
of.
to be said that it is Tejasvi's party, the RJD, which went against this very employment scheme of women and wrote to the Election Commission to stop the seed money to be given to 1 crore 30 lakh women. Today, when he made such an announcement, I wonder why he did not restrain his own partymen from approaching the Election Commission against the interests of women of Bihar. Secondly, my belief is that Tejasvi Yadav possibly presumes that women in Bihar do not know the difference between a robust 2 lakh rupees, which is to be given by the NDA, which is going to make the government, and the Junjuna politically that he's been announcing and trying to hand out to women for a Thug Bandhan that is nowhere near power in Bihar.